Hello my dear students, and today I am going to tell you about Scilab program, and specially I will tell you how to form a diagonal matrix. First of all, it is a square matrix. It is known to you. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix, and the diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33, A44, A55, and so on. These are the diagonal elements. And the non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay, so how to form a diagonal matrix? See here. First of all, we have to write to form a diagonal matrix. Okay, then what is the coding for diagonal matrix? Simply DIAG. This is the code, and you should write in small letters. Okay, so put a parenthesis first, then put a square bracket. Clear? And then write the diagonal elements orderly. First A11, then A22, then A33, then A44. It depends upon you what will be the order. I am taking 3 by 3 matrix. So first of all, A11, that means I am writing A11 as 5, then put a comma, then A22 as 9, then put another comma, then A33 I am taking 6. Okay, so this is the coding for diagonal matrix. So let us see. I am copying and I am pasting in the console, as I have told you before. So simply now press the enter key. So this is the diagonal matrix. See here, the first element A11 is 5 here, and A22 I have given, and here it is written as 9, and A33 here it is written as 6. So this is the diagonal matrix of order 3 by 3, and in which the diagonal elements are 5, 9, 6 in order. That means A11, A22, A33. Okay, so let us see. And now if you want to remove, then now click the right of your mouse, right key, then clear console. Okay, then again I am see here in my last video I have told you how to form an identity matrix, and here very interesting thing, and here I have told you how to form a diagonal matrix, because an identity matrix is also a diagonal matrix. But if I want a scalar matrix, that means scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which all the elements are same, in which all the diagonal elements are same. Okay, so see here, DIAG, diagonal matrix, then put a parenthesis, then put a square bracket. Then for example, I am taking the diagonals as 2, 2, 2, 2, comma 2, comma 2. Okay, so this is a scalar matrix, and you should change here. More specifically, we can write to form a scalar matrix. Okay, then simply copy it and write it in the console, paste it here, and then press the enter key. Enter. Okay, see here, all the diagonal elements are same, that is 2, 2, 2. So this is a scalar matrix in which the diagonal elements are 2. So now you can form a diagonal matrix of any order, and but the coding is DIAG, all are small letter. First put a parenthesis, then you should write within square bracket, and you should separate the elements by commas. Okay, no space is required, only you have to put commas, and semicolon is not necessary here. Okay, so this is all about the diagonal matrix, and in my next video I will tell you very interesting matrices. Okay, so till then, bye bye.